Hi, my name is Alex, and this is lesson 31 for 7th grade math. So for the first part, we need to find the square roots. So for number 1, we have square root of 256. And for 256, we can break it down. 256 is also 2 times 128. Actually, I'm going to write this here. So 256 is 2 times 128. 128 is 2 and 64. 64 is 2 and 32. 32 is also 2 and 16. 16 is also 2 and 8. 8 is also 2 and 4. And 2 is also 4 is also 2 and 2. So if we look, we have 1 pair of 2, 2 pair of 2, 3, 4. Which means that this is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is also equal to 4 times 4, or also just 16. For number 2, we have 169. 169 is also just a square root, or perfect square root, and this is equal to 13. And this is something that you can just remember from your multiplication table. This is 9 3 0 3 1 169. Okay, so for this next part, we have to solve for y. So we're given, for number 1, x equals 5, as well as the equation x plus y equals 12. So we're solving for y when x is equal to 5. So we could plug in 5 into x, so it becomes 5 plus y equals 12. So y is also equal to 7. For number 2, we're given x equals -2, as well as x plus 3y equals 4. So we're solving for y when x is equal to -2. So if you plug in -2, we get -2 plus 3y equals 4. 3y equals 6, and y equals 2. For number 3, we have x equals 5 and -3x plus 4y equals 8. So we're solving for when x equals 5. So if we plug that in, we get -3 times 5 plus 4y equals 8. -3 times 5 is also -15 plus 4y equals 8. 4y is also equal to 23. So if you divide both sides by 4, we get y equals 23 over 4. Okay, so for the next part, we have x equals 0 and y equals 2x plus 2. So we could just plug in 0. So y equals 2 times 0 plus 2. So 2 times 0 is also 0, so 0 plus 2. Y is also just equal to 2. We have 8. Y is equal to x plus 1. X equals 8. So plug in x, so y equals 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, so y equals 9. We have to solve the following equations given h of x, j of x, k of x, and g of x. So for number 10, h of 4, this means h of x when x equals 4. So you plug in 4 into h of x, so 3 times 4 plus 5. Then we're adding j of 4, so j of x when x equals 4. So if you just plug in 4 into x, 4 times 4 plus 2. So this is j of 4, and this is h of 4. So if we solve for this, we get 3 times 4, 12 plus 5, plus 16 plus 2. 12 plus 5 is 17 plus 18. which is also 35. We have j of 5 plus k of 5. So 4 times 5 plus 2 plus k of 5. So we're plugging in 5. 5 times 5 plus 2 times 5 squared. So if we were to solve for this, 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 plus 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 2 times 5 squared. 5 squared is also equal to 25, because this is also 5 times 5. So 2 times 25 is also 50. So if we add these all up together, we get 22 plus 75, or just 97. For number 12, we have j of 8. J of x is 4x plus 2. So if we plug in 8, we get 4 times 8 plus 2. This is 32 plus 2, or just 34. We have h of 2 plus k of 2 plus j of 2 for number 13. H of 2, or h of x is 3x plus 5. So if you plug that in, we get 3 times 2 plus 5 plus k of 2. And k of 2 is equal to 5x plus 2x, or k of x is equal to 5x plus 2x squared. So 5 times 2 plus 2 times 2 squared plus j of 2, and j of 2 is, or j of x is 4x plus 2. So plus 4 times 2 plus 2. We have 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 5, plus 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is also 8, plus 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 2, which is 11, plus 10, plus 8, plus 8, plus 2. This is also equal to 21 plus 8 plus 10, or just 39 for number 13.